Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a crinoline fascinator, crinoline loop fascinator. This is my crinoline loop. I have a video on how I made this. You must have watched it if you subscribed to my channel and if you've been following my weekly videos. Okay, so the crinoline loop I'm using, the video is showing right now on your screen how it was made in case you've not watched it. Then I simply attached my feathers. Okay, you can see how I crossed my feathers while attaching them. Then I'll simply stitch my feathers firmly on my crinoline loop. Okay, so just keep watching and learning. It's easy. Also, I'll be using my Princess Mat Turn Up Fascinator base. Okay, so I've attached my arrow feather onto my crinoline loop, and now I'll just simply attach it on my Princess Mat Turn Up base fascinator. Okay, another way to do this is to actually arrange everything and then attach them at once on your turn up cap, on your turn up fascinator, just in case you don't want to do it this way. But this is a beginner friendly way. That was why I did it step by step. So keep watching and learning. Also, I have a training, 2 weeks intensive training on how to make beautiful fascinators, on the nitty gritties, that deals with millinery and all. If you want to be part of that class for a very little fee, please reach out to me via this number or any of our social media links.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to